me. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do the end of block squat and bench. This is my day 3 of 5. I figured since I filmed a session before Worlds and posted it on YouTube, I might as well film some of my sessions after Worlds to demonstrate what that training has looked like. It's not been the best of training sometimes. I always suck, like, 2 or 3 weeks after I do a competition. This is the first time I've taken a full week off of training after competing in a very long time. I usually go ahead and at least get back to the gym a couple days after competing. But I took a week off, went on vacation, then came back and kind of got in the swing of things again, and have just not really picked up my stride with training yet, which is fine. I'm just like so mad at myself some days for just like not doing well. But I know it's all part of the process, and it's a good thing that I'm getting mad because I care, obviously, about my training, so whatever. I'm still having fun. I'm still here. So today we're going to do some heavy squats. I think I have a top set of 5 at RP 9, and then I also have a couple bench sets. I don't remember what I have, but also, fueling me this session is going to be 110%. Got this in the shaker cup. So I think I'm doing the blueberry lemonade flavor today. Get you some pre-workout at papasups.com and use code NAT. Yeah, without further ado, let's squat. Try to go ahead and roll out, butt, back, hamstrings, and quads. Especially quads recently because I've been having some, irritation, soreness, whatever. So I'll sit on any knots there, do a couple Cossack squats, and then go ahead and jump under the barbell. So obviously this is not my rack height. One thing I've been trying to do more of is really pull my knees forwards when I squat. So I kind of keep a nice stack position with my rib cage over my hips. So I break my squat with the knees coming straight down versus anything moving around hip wise. So remain stacked and good foot pressure just from kind of cueing that knees forwards. So if you've never put on knee sleeves, this is the best way to do it. You're gonna go ahead and put them right side out, slide them on, then you're gonna roll down a little over halfway at the top. Same thing at the bottom. Grab it like this, and just slide it right up. They're so much easier to put on if you have leggings on or deadlift socks or something. If you're sweaty, probably could benefit from using those versus squatting in shorts. Some days I can, and some days it's just too much. Also, does anyone remember in my last video when I talked about getting new shoes to squatting? I got them, and they've been worn 2 times before I went to Worlds. For one session, that was good, and then one session, I failed with my top single, so I've never worn them again. If someone wants them, please take them. They're good shoes, but bad juju. Now just another 200 pounds. So I'm just gonna gauge this 140 here, see if it moves good, see if 150 moves good, then maybe shoot for a PR set of 5 around 160 kilos. sometime earlier this year. So it's probably gonna look ugly, maybe, but I think I can do it. Good, I'm pretty happy with that. Now I have a fatigue single, if you will, and some back offs. So having a single after this rep work has been coined, I guess, by my coach Steve Denobi, to where you prioritize the rep work throughout a block, but still have a single after to have that kind of top end range, comp specific need. I think I'm gonna do 167.5. It's supposed to be at RP 7. So now I have back off set of 5 at 140, and a couple sets at 132.5. Nothing crazy, so I'm gonna fast forward through these sets and then go ahead and set it for bench next. Some tempo doubles. So we set up for bench, and I put these mats down because this bench is like, taller than the comp bench I have to lift on. So putting these like 2 mats down, make it like comp standard so I don't cheat, because I can lift more on a taller bench. So I try to keep myself honest with this little setup and have the blocks here so the mats don't slide too much. So yeah. Okay, so last week I did doubles ascending and ended up at 102.5. It'd be nice if I could chip that this week and do a little bit more. I always hit like this kind of like fatigue wall by the time I get to week 5. So Tuesday's bench was trash. So hopefully we can do better today, but I'll just see how it kind of feels when warming up and just kind of take the RPE as it is, knowing that I usually kind of gas out at week 5. So let's go. Sometimes I don't set the mats up right, or I don't plant my feet right because I'm sliding more today. I don't know why. I hate when my feet slide during bench. So maybe they'll just get better as the warm-up sets go on. I'm hoping so, but I keep sliding. Second set of ascending doubles on tempo bench. I'm just gonna do 100 kilos. It's not gonna be a PR, but it's still gonna be a decent top set. I'll just put on some sad Post Malone and hit this real quick. top double moved better. I usually hate having the grippy side up on the mat just because I feel like it throws me off more, but honestly it felt better on the top set. So happy with 100 kilos for a double. Felt spot on, RP7, so good. Gonna do some back off 8s, focus on the rest of my accessories, and then kind of peace out. So let's go. Well, that was it. That was squat and bench, finishing up the block. Really happy with squats overall. Haven't hit 160.5 for 5 before, so that was pretty sick. Top single went well, fine. Bench was fine, you know, fatigued, but we're pushing through it. Everything's fine. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I feel like it was a little bit more chaotic than normal, but I was just having fun. So hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.